Hi, hello, very good morning everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about my student. His name is Akash. He is from Kadganchi. He completed his BSc Nursing last year. After completing BSc Nursing, he went to hospital where he got a job. He started working in hospital as a nurse. He worked in hospital for 6 months. After working in hospital, he realized that importance of English communication skill, and he came to my institute last month. He came and met me, he spoke to me, he told me that sir, I want to improve my English communication because I suffered a lot. I lost many opportunities. Last month I attended interview but I got rejected. I couldn't speak in English. When interviewer asked me to talk in English, I couldn't speak. I faced English communication problem, he told me. And told him to join my session. Okay, same day he joined my session. And first day I asked him to introduce. Okay, I asked him to give his introduction. He couldn't give his introduction. He couldn't give. He was sweating. He was actually, he could not speak anything. And he told me, sir, I am sorry, sir, I can't speak. Okay, I am not able to communicate. I am not able to speak because I have a lot of fear, he said to me. And first day I did not force him to talk in English, and second day he came to class again, and again I asked him to speak something on stage. And second day also he started sweating. He started shaking his hands, and he was shivering, and he couldn't speak, and he was fumbling. And but he tried a second day. He spoke few words. And third day also I gave him same practice. I told him to introduce, okay, himself. But he gave he gave introduction very nicely. He spoke well, he explained well, he talked well. But I want to say, within 1 month, he got good improvement. Within 1 month, he started speaking well. He started communicating. He started talking English very nicely. But dear students, I want to say, if you really want to improve your English language, what you need to do? So you need to actually speak in English. When you speak okay English, when you talk to people, when you interact with people, when you actually speak English, then only you will improve your English. Only by reading you cannot improve your English. Only by listening you cannot improve your English. Only by writing you cannot improve your English. If you want to improve your English, what you need to do is you need to actually practically talk in English. So when you talk, you will develop your English communication. So dear students, Republic Spoken English Academy, which has been conducting spoken English classes and public speaking and even communication skill, and even some children, okay, whatever English, spoken English classes for kids also. And we are providing, okay, and theory and both the practical classes. If you really want to improve your English communication, if you really want to develop your English language, you can actually approach us. We will guide you how to talk in English. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you everyone.